Types of forestry heavy equipment. Skitter. A skidder is a type of heavy vehicle used in tree felling operations. Skidders work by pulling tree trunks that have been cut to be lifted into trucks or other means of transportation. However, if the location of the wood factory is close to the cutting location, the skidder itself will pull the wood without the help of transportation equipment. Skidders use four-wheel tractors with turbocharged diesel engines, winches, and steel, funnel-shaped guards on the back to protect the wheels. The operator is protected from falling or flying debris by a steel cage. Forwarders can haul short, small pieces of wood, but if mature wood needs to be thinned out, skidders are one of the few options for picking up multiple trees. Skidders can also be used for pulling tree stumps, pushing small trees, and initial grading of logging roads, known as skid roads. Uniquely, when the skidder pulls wood, this machine also works to plant tree particles and seeds into the soil. Feller buncher. The feller buncher is a heavy equipment used to fell trees mechanically with advanced technology that can speed up the felling process and reduce the risk of damage to surrounding trees. This tool not only cuts trees, but also collects and arranges the felled trees into a bunch, before being further processed by other heavy equipment. So this tool can be a reliable solution in logging operations that prioritize speed, efficiency, and safety. Feller buncher heavy equipment has a special function in the forestry sector. This feller is equipped with two main components, namely the head or felling head and boom. The head functions to cut trees, while the boom functions to hold and transport trees that have been cut. Delimber. Delimber is a heavy tool that functions to clean branches from trees that have been cut down. The front end of the delimber is shaped like a round pincer, can be different for other delimbers, and then there is a long pipe behind the pincer. On the pincers and pipe there are sharp knives that will cut off all the branches on the tree trunk. The way it works is, this clamp will take one of the tree trunks that has previously been cut and then insert it into the pipe. Then, the pincers will move forward and backward to cut all the branches at the front of the tree trunk. Meanwhile, the bottom part will be cleaned with a knife located on the pipe. Not only trimming, the knife on the front claw can also be used to cut tree trunks into shorter sizes. Forwarder. Forwarders are heavy equipment used in the forestry sector, especially in the timber industry. The forwarder itself has the shape of a vehicle that is similar to a truck. Like other heavy equipment in the form of vehicles, forwarders also have a major role in moving material from one location to another. In the forestry sector, forwarders have a role in assisting the process of moving felled wood from inside the forest or logging location to the roadside or wood stacking location. The results of the felled wood, which are still in the form of logs, will be moved using a forwarder to the wood pile for further processing. This forwarder heavy equipment has quite an important role in the forestry sector. The main role of this tool is to speed up the process of moving wood that has been felled, so that the next process that will be carried out on the wood can be done more quickly. The forwarder's large capacity means this tool can transport large amounts of wood, so that the wood moving process can run more effectively.